Hello friends. As we know that the life of a writer is also not easy, even the most diligent freelance writers get bored and disillusioned after a while. If you're tired of writing web content or blog posts on a contract basis, or you simply want to expand your horizons, consider tackling long-form projects that exercise your creative muscles and carry substantial passive income potential. Although seeing and hearing your name in print is a worthy accomplishment in and of itself, selling audiobooks probably won't make you rich. In most cases, your royalty sharing arrangement will amount to just a few dollars per download. A lot depends on the extent to which you promote your audiobook and how visible it is on platforms such as Audible and iTunes. If you're lucky, a successful audiobook can generate a 5-figure annual income stream. More obscure titles might earn just a few $100 per year. You can make money with audiobooks in a couple of different ways. Recording your work. If you've already written a book, you can leverage an entirely new revenue stream by turning it into an audiobook. It doesn't have to be your voice on the recording. In fact, unless you have voice acting or radio experience, it's better to hire a trained voice actor. Reputable platforms like ACX typically have low production costs and innovative royalty sharing arrangements that maximize rights holders' writers' income potential. Check Publishers Weekly for a list of platform options. Recording others' work. If you're a trained voice actor or narrator, or you think you have what it takes to break into the niche, you can use ACX and other outlets to find audiobook recording jobs. You'll need to audition for each role, but once you land a gig, you'll earn money two ways: at an agreed per hour rate for the actual job and a shared royalty arrangement with the rights holder and others involved in the production. If you're a union actor, SAG-AFTRA, you're required to charge a minimum fee, variable, but above $200 per finished hour, roughly 2 studio hours. On a 10-hour audiobook, that's a minimum payday of $2,000 before royalties. When you think about it carefully, you will know how much money is there in it and how much more you can easily earn sitting at home.